There are three things regarding food that every mu'min, every Muslim must remember. The first, it should be halal, meaning it must be from the halal things that Allah and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam have taught us, and also halal in the matter that it must have been bought with fair means, the halal method of earning, no haram earning in this. The second thing is that it should be tayyib. It should be tayyib, meaning it should be nutritious, it should be beneficial, it should provide the right nutrition needed for the body, and the third thing, it should be in the right quantity, not in more than the required quantity. It should not be any israf in that. So the three things will bring the right spiritual and physical benefits when the food taken is halal, tayyib, and in the right quantities. So may Allah bless us with halal food, and may Allah bless us with the right kind of food and earning and the best effects it can have on one's soul and body.